Gradescope has the ability to submit assignments that need to be reviewed by human eyes. So there's a lot of programming assignments you'll do, but there'll be a couple cases where you'll submit something that needs to be looked at by a person. So those assignments are created however you want to. You can create them in a Word doc. You can take a picture. There's many different ways to make this happen. The easiest one is probably a Word doc. So for this one, we're not going to create any code. You're not going to write a paper. You're not going to submit a diagram. I'm just going to put something fun inside of there. There's two something fun. So first here, there's a picture of my wife and I at Halloween a couple of years ago. I'm nutty professor inside of there. She's obviously a bit cooler than I am. And then here's a picture of me playing Ultimate. So again, you pick two things. It doesn't matter what they are. Two things that you want to submit, and then you're going to need to convert that into a PDF. So I'm going to print this to a PDF, and this is going to be. I'm going to call it. I'm going to put it in my download folder just so I know where it is. This is going to be my tagging exercise. Anything you want to name it, but there you go. So I have that document, and I'm going to go to upload that to Gradescope. So you'll have your name inside of here. I can upload for anybody, but you're going to take that tagging exercise. You're going to upload that. So that's the easy first step inside of here. Oh, maybe I do have to select the student here. So first name here. So this gets uploaded, and you can see it shows you a picture of what got uploaded. So the next step is you see over here there's question outline. So there's tagged successfully, multiple submissions. Well, if I hit submit right away, you are not finished. If I just hit submit right away, let me just show you what that happens here. You can see, oh, well, you haven't matched all the pages and questions. So it didn't used to do this, but thankfully now it gives us a reminder. By the way, you need to do this. If you just hit submit again, then you will not receive any points for what you submitted. It has to be tagged. So you want to say continue matching. And then you want to click on the question. And then you want to click on the page or maybe even the section of something. Or possibly if you have, for example, a bunch of hand-drawn things and you've scanned them separately or taken pictures from your phone, you can actually upload multiple files and tag the file that's associated with it. But you can see here, in this case, I have one page, so I tagged that one, and then I come to the second item, I click on this, and I tag that one, and again, question one, question two, they're both on the same page. If I have 5 pages, and the first 3 are question one, I should click on each one of those pages. And then when I submit now, it's happy. So what ends up happening is when I go to grade submissions, you can see it comes up with these questions, and I hit next, and it pops up the pages you select. And I can skip through them and whatnot. And then I can say, oh yeah, this was tagged, excellent. I go to the next one. Okay, next question. So here I actually grade everybody's like that. And I say, oh, this is tagged. So almost all of these, if you don't tag it, there'll be an option here that says not tagged, you get no points. So for me, grader, whomever, just instructed. If it's not tagged, you don't get points. And so it's up to you to make sure that this gets done properly. And so you get 5 points to practice this if you want to. This is assignment. You can go earn a free 5 points if you want to, or you can just get it right. But here is the set of instructions that tells you exactly how to tag items in Gradescope.